I'll always be the last. I'll duck and cover till the threat is past. Make you move now and try to win the game, but